Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you how to make Ashoka Chakra. So let's get started. There are 24 spokes in our Ashoka Chakra, and these 24 spokes are 24 principles which should be followed by the citizens so that the difference of caste, religion, language, and attire can be minimized. These spokes give a clear message to all the countrymen about their rights and duties. Each spoke on the chakra symbolizes one principle of life and also the 24 hours in the day, which is why it is also called the Wheel of Time. Now I will tell you the meaning of all 24 spokes. The first spoke inspired to live a simple life. Second spoke health, inspired to be healthy from body and mind. Third spoke peace, to maintain peace and harmony throughout the country. Fourth spoke sacrifice, to be ready for any sacrifice for the sake of country and society. Fifth spoke morality, to maintain high morality in professional and personal life. Sixth spoke service, ready to serve country and society when needed. Seventh spoke forgiveness, a feeling of forgiveness toward humans and other creatures. Eighth spoke feeling of love. Ninth spoke friendship. 10th spoke fraternity. 11th spoke organization. 12th spoke welfare, participate in welfare activities related to country and society. 13th spoke prosperity. 14th spoke industry. 15th spoke safety. 16th spoke awareness, to be aware of the truth and don't believe in rumors. 17th spoke equality. 18th spoke artha, optimum utilization of money. 19th spoke policy, to have faith in country's policy. 20th spoke justice. 21st spoke cooperation. 22nd spoke duties, to obey your duties honestly. 23rd spoke rights, don't abuse your rights. 24th spoke wisdom, to have knowledge beyond books. One more thing I want to tell you, India's highest peacetime military decoration award is also called Ashoka Chakra. Jai Hind.